Most traders watching this right now are costing themselves money, not because the market is rigid against them, but because they're using half a strategy and calling it a plan. I've been on institutional desks long enough to know what a real edge looks like, and I'm gonna show you one today. This is a proof of concept, real rules, no noise. We're working on gold, XAUUSD, the 15-minute time frame. Gold, one of the most manipulated stop-loss hunting arenas in the entire financial market. But here's the deal, this setup works on any market, any time frame. Gold just makes it obvious when you're wrong. Look at your chart right now. What do you see? A mess of lines, colors, and candles that tells you nothing useful. Here's what we're gonna replace that with. The first indicator is called the Fibonacci bands, built by Big Bulliger. Here's what it actually does. It takes the logic of Bollinger Band, which measures price volatility around the moving average, and it layers Fibonacci ratios on top of that structure. What you got on the chart is a clean channel with upper band and lower band. And a midline running through the center. And inside that channel, additional Fibonacci levels that defines the boundary of normal price behavior. Look at it like this. The Bollinger Bands tells you how far price is stretching from its average. The Fibonacci levels tells you where that stretch becomes statistically significant. Combined, you get a dynamic channel that breathes with the market. It expands in volatility, it contracts in consolidation. It's not a static box, it's a living structure around price action. Now the way most traders use Bollinger Bands, and this is where the bleeding starts, is simple. Price touches the lower band, they buy. Price touches the upper band, they sell. That's it. That's their whole plan. The truth is, that's not a strategy, that's a prayer. You have zero idea of trend, you have zero idea of momentum in the financial markets, you have no risk management framework, and in market like gold, where stop-loss hunting is practically a professional sport, that approach will blow your account. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. Touching a band tells you price is extended. It does not tell you where it's going next. We need confirmation. We need a momentum layer. And that's where the second trading tool comes in, the CM-MACD indicator. You've probably seen MACD before. Default settings, two lines crossing, maybe a histogram. And you'll probably notice it's late, it's noisy, and it's costing you money on entries that look good and immediately reverse. Here's the deal, the default settings are garbage for what we're doing. We're not using this as crossover signal. We're using it as pure momentum confirmation tool. And to do that, we need very specific adjustments. Go into the Style tab first, disable everything except the histogram. No MACD line, no signal line, just the histogram. Clean chart, one visual statement. Now in the Inputs tab, this is crucial. Fast length 150, stall length 300. These numbers are not random. We use 150 and 300 because they filter the short-term noise that confuses amateur traders and shows you the real directional pressure underneath price action. Disable the MACD line and the inputs as well. For colors, histogram bars above 0 go green, below 0 go red. Simple, binary. Here's the logic. Histogram above 0 means bullish momentum is dominant, the market is in an upward pressure state. and histogram below 0 means bearish momentum is in control, that's it. You're not predicting. You're reading what the market is already telling you. XAUUSD gold 15-minute chart. First condition, CMACD histogram is above 0, green bars. That tells you there's bullish momentum behind the market right now. You're not fighting the trend. You're aligning with it. Second condition, watch the Fibonacci bands. Wait for price to push up and touch the upper band. Then watch it pull back down and touch the lower band. Price has now swept the full range of the channel. It's tested both boundaries. Now comes the entry trigger. Watch the midline of the Fibonacci band. The center line is not decoration. It's the equilibrium point of the entire structure. When price breaks back above that midline after touching the lower band, that's a statement for the market. It's saying the pullback is over and the original bearish pressure is getting back. But you do not move yet. Check the CMACD. If the histogram is still green and above 0 at the moment of that midline break, that's your confirmation. High probability long entry. Bullish momentum is behind the move, and the Fibonacci structure has validated the level. You're not guessing, you're executing a system. A stop loss goes at the lower band of the Fibonacci channel or the most recent swing low, whichever is more logical on the current structure. Never risk more than 1% of your account on this trade. Not 2%, not just this one's 5%. 1%. That rule alone will keep you in the game long enough to actually get good. Take profit as 2 times your risk. Clean, defined, no hoping, no moving targets. When price is between the bands and the MACD is flat or unclear, you do nothing. Doing nothing is what keeps your account alive. That's the professional's edge. Retail traders feel compelled to trade. Professionals feel compelled to wait. Now the short setup. Same chart, same tools. Flip the logic. CMACD histogram is below 0, red bars, bearish momentum confirmed. Price pushes down to lower Fibonacci band, then retraces back up to touch the upper band. Now watch for the price to break back below the midline. MACD is still red and below 0 at that break, and that's your high probability short entry. A stop loss at the upper band or recent swing high, and take profit at 2 times risk. 1% risk, same rules, no exception. Market manipulation doesn't care about your feeling. A stop loss hunting doesn't care about your analysis. Account blowouts don't happen because the market is unfair. They happen because traders enter without confirmation and exit without discipline. This system gives you both. One channel, one momentum filter, one rule set. That's the edge.